Hi, if you're having troubles with missing file privileges on Steam, you can try some of these tips. So first, you want to try to run Steam as an administrator. And that sometimes fixes the problem because it gives Steam permission to use some of the files that you would need administrator privilege for. We just gotta wait for Steam to open. There we go. And if that doesn't work, you can try downloading your game or accessing your game then. If that doesn't work, you can go up here, top left, to your settings, go to the download settings, and you can clear the download cache on Steam. When you clear the download cache, it's gonna restart your Steam fully, and you'll be good to go. And you can try after that. If that then doesn't work, you need to check the integrity of the files of the game you're trying to download or play. Let's say I'm trying to play this game, Terraforming Mars. We can check the integrity files by right-clicking on the game. You can go to Properties, you can go to Installed Files, and you can verify integrity of game files. It'll do a check, which usually lasts for about a few minutes, and after that, if any files are missing, it's gonna download all the files that it found to be missing. If that doesn't fix the problem, you can try to repair your library, your whole library. So again, we go to Steam, settings, and after that you can go to storage. In the storage, I have two local drives. I have a C and a D drive. If we go on the D drive, let's say, and we click on the three dots right by this progress bar, you can see you have an option to repair the library. Now, you gotta check which library your game is installed on if you have multiple libraries like me, and repair the corresponding library. After that, the only thing to do is to reinstall the game. So you would just go here, manage, uninstall the game directly from Steam, and you will just install it all over again. Hope that helps.